Well, my name is Emanuel, and I had to make an alarm with using a Raspberry Pi. Some of my goals were that I had to have a motion sensor, which is like it checks what the distance is from how far away. It had to have 3 LED lights. Those 3 LED lights were in red, green, and yellow. The yellow meant that you were warned. Green was that you're okay, and red is that you're way too close. When you're way too close, it will sound a buzzer, and that buzzer will not turn off until you press the button. One of the problems was that I had a short. You guys don't know what that is yet, but you'll soon hopefully find out. But it's just 2 wires were inappropriately touching, not appropriately, but connecting.
Oh, I know.
Touching, and that actually would reset my my Raspberry Pi. Another one was that the buzzer will sound when I did not want it to sound. It just because the Raspberry Pi set a value for that buzzer to have already, which is a high, and I had to fix it. To fix it, I had to set a value of 0, which will not make it sound. Another one was coding, which you guys had a little taste of, but I had to figure out where I had to place certain things, because if I place something wrong where it shouldn't be, it wouldn't act the way I want it to. So something I would do in the future is, remember how I said that short? I would make sure that everything is connected properly, because later on, if you're messing around with higher power, it would destroy everything and it would not work ever again. So something you have to be careful about. So always check if everything is wired properly before you actually start it. And now for a demo. Here's a little, well, not a little, but like the code that I used. If you want to know more about it, you can ask me after. But let's see, let's run it. So as you can see, it's green. This little sensor right here, that's the sensor. And you see it's changing. Right now I'm fine, but once I get close, the alarm sounds. And there's a little button right there. It's still sounding? It should stop. Because I'm still close. That's why. See? There you go. And there's a little data that you see running there. Oops, my bad. There you go. There you go. Alright, and that's my presentation.
You guys have any questions for him? Anyone? You got a question over here?
Oh, yes.
Are you gonna use it for anything?
I was actually thinking about using it. I'm not sure what yet, but it's actually pretty cool. And it could be for, I don't know, it could be like put on your door when you're home away. You could put it right in somewhere and use the lights and say that don't get near it, or yeah, you can use it for many applications.
I see lights changing green and yellow.
It could be many things. I'm not entirely sure. It's really, it's not like a super expensive one, or it's really sensitive.
Oh.
Yeah.
If you put something too close to it, then it beep.
If you put what?
If you put something too close to that,
Yeah.
then beep.
Yeah, you want to try it? You put your hand like right here. See? There you go. See?
All right, give him a round of applause, guys.